Kapha is that which binds or keeps things together, and Kapha is made up of Prithvi and Jala Mahabhutas, that is earth and water element. And because of this combination, Kapha provides stability, lubrication and support to the body. And the qualities of Kapha are Snigdha, that is anxious, Shita, that is cool, Guru, that is heavy, Manda, that is slow, Shlakshna, that is fine, Mritsna, that is sticky, and Sthira, that is stable. And to know how these qualities reflects in the mind and body of a Kapha Prakriti person, please watch the video till end. And if you still don't understand what is Prakriti, the video link on Prakriti will be given in the description box. Kapha types have large body frame, steady and heavier build, and physically solid, compact and wide with extensive thighs, hips, bumps, chest and has tendency to be overweight. And also they have deep set joints which are well lubricated. And now coming to their eyes, they have very large eyes, especially the white of the eye, that is sclera. And the eye color is dark and rich in tone. And their skin is fair, soft, oily and lustrous, and they have abundance of body hair. And also they have low hairline which is thick, abundant, dark and wavy. And also they are most beautiful among other Prakritis because they have impressive figure, big beautiful eyes, smooth porcelain skin, snow white teeth and thick hair. And they are most strong and healthy among Vata and Pitta Prakritis. And they have that pleasant and deep voice. And they have moderate appetite, low thirst and moderate sweating. And they love heat and suffer in cold, damp climates. And they are naturally deep sleepers and they have tendency for excessive sleep. They are calm and polite in nature with stable temperament and good long-term memory. But they are slow in eating and any other activities and don't take initiatives. And they are usually wealthy because they don't spend money unnecessarily. And nothing seems to be get them out of balance because they are patient and very understanding. And also they are very slow to anger and easygoing. And they have the ability to love and forgive and supports relationship with compassion and patience. And they are ideal managers who calmly handle several issues simultaneously and can also answer other urgent questions while doing so. And they are the teddy bears among us, sweet in nature and pleasure to be around. And also they are very reliable and dependable person. But they have tendency towards overeating, insufficient exercise and excessive sleep. And these are some of the positive and negative sides of a Kapha Prakriti person. And don't forget to assess your Prakriti. And to know your Prakriti, take a quiz and answer them precisely. And for the quiz link, DM us on Instagram. So stay tuned for my next videos and thanks for watching.